I introduced, there's a lot of people that surprisingly know this. I didn't, I'm throwing ice all over the place. My little scoop here. I actually taught somebody how to make this in Cuba when I was there, the bartender. So just going to take, I'm doing this in a rocks glass, but you can also do it in a highball if you want. It's really hard. It is half wine. So just whatever, some kind of dry fruity red is usually good. And then, ta-da! Coca-Cola!
Oh, I was so intrigued by this.
It
now,
is just think like cherry Coke.
Oh.
But not as sweet.
Gotcha.
Right?
Okay. Interesting.
So it is. So the story is, you don't have, and then if you want to, you can add in garnish with a piece of lime or lemon, or you can just throw it in. But essentially, that is the Kalimotxo. It is from northern Spain, and it is the. This is the drink where the kids used to just take all of their parents' red wines, ends of the bottles, that kind of stuff, and they don't like wine when they're younger. So their way of getting to drink the alcohol or getting it down would be to mix cola in it. So that's where you get these college kids and high school kids or whatever that were trying to train themselves to drink red wine, so they would mix it with Coke. So it's surprisingly not as bad as people think it is. And anyways, I suggest you try it, especially non-wine drinkers. This is a good one for somebody who's usually drinking like a Riot Coke. We used to get people, I feel silly talking to you guys when I can't see you. There you are.
Yeah, that's better.
Yep. So when I'll just do it for the demo part. But we'll get people that used to come in the bar and they're the boyfriends who are not wine drinkers, right?
Oh.
This is one that they will actually, we get them to try it. They're like, oh. I said, yeah, it's not that bad because they still get the flavor.
Did you hear that, Mark? Mark says nope.